The bags are packed, the lift is here, and vacation mode is officially activated. Next stop, Adventure of the Seas. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa, and along with Michael, we are M&M Journeys. We take you along for our family adventures, give you cruise tips, and also show you some of the best ships at sea. Today, we are taking you on a two-part video of our embarkation day on Royal Caribbean's massive Adventure of the Seas.
You gotta make me get back there, girl.
You can sit in the front.
Here. Yes, sir, you can.
You want to sit in the front?
Yes, sir.
You want to sit in the front? No?
Will that give you more leg room or will this?
This one. Sit up here.
Will it give you more leg room?
No, it won't. This is much more leg room. Go.
On the right side, you can move it back if you need to.
See, my hair's in the way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm in. Cool, baby.
Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready. Thank you. I can't reach you, baby.
Well, to me, but I can't find my phone, so I have a problem. It's not in my pockets.
It's in the car. And the Uber. Let's go. Let's go to the ship. Adventures of the Seas.
Oh my gosh, this is like the adventure.
Yeah, it's hard to get out of here, isn't it? Cars coming this way. Cars coming that way. Can't get out. Can't get out.
You're going to the left on the middle lane and then we're moving. This is no lie. This is crazy. They need a stoplight or something. I can tell you this is light traffic.
This is light?
This is light. This is light.
Oh,
We're
man.
talking of miles of lane, people waiting, people honking,
Oh my
miles
gosh.
and miles.
Oh man, you almost got it. Hurry up, get out of the way.
Go, lady, go.
Go
Here we
all the way,
go.
go the way out, all the way.
All the way.
Yeah! Woo! Hands up.
Best Lyft driver. Well, we hope you enjoyed that short intro into what sometimes our day looks like when we start our embarkation day. Sometimes things are smooth sailing and other times it's just an adventure. In this first video, we are bringing you along for the ride to the port, navigating the entire terminal and check-in process, and taking those highly anticipated final steps across the bridge and onto the ship. So if you want to see exactly how smooth a boarding day can be, hit that subscribe button and let's get headed to the port.
All right, we're here.
It's wrapped up.
Let's go. Let's go.
The minute you step out of your ride, the embarkation day hustle begins. The very first step before you even walk through the terminal doors is dropping off your check bags with the porters. Make sure that your printed luggage tags are securely attached to your bags before you leave your home or hotel room. This is an example of a Royal Caribbean luggage tag. I do put them in a plastic sleeve just for safety, that way that they don't get ripped and lost once the porters take your bags. Once you have this on, you will give your large bags over to the porters, and then they will magically appear next to your stateroom door later that day.
All right, I got all the bags for y'all. Y'all have a great time enjoying your vacation.
Okay, buddy. Thank you.
It is customary to tip the porters. We usually do about $1 or $2 per bag, depending on how many bags we have. So make sure to keep some small bills handy in your pocket for this exact moment. Before you hand over all of your luggage, we need to talk about your carry-on bag. Remember, your large luggage or checked bags will not show up until later that afternoon or potentially not until after dinner. So what items should you keep with you in your carry-on bag? First and foremost, your travel documents. That includes passports, birth certificates, and boarding passes should stay with you. Next, all prescription medications. Do not check these. Michael and I also make absolutely sure that all of our expensive tech, especially our cameras, laptops, chargers, stay securely in our backpacks. Finally, pack a change of clothes, swimsuits, sunscreen. The pools are open as soon as you get on board. And if you are navigating boarding day with your family, keeping snacks and entertainment easily accessible for your kids, it can be a lifesaver. With the heavy lifting done and our essentials in our bags, it's time to head inside and officially start the check-in process. You might be curious about the construction going on in Port Canaveral. Port Canaveral is actually in the middle of a massive $78 million project to remodel and expand Cruise Terminal Number 5. They are nearly doubling the size of the building to a massive 170,000 square feet. This expansion will allow the terminal to handle even larger ships up to 5,600 passengers, and it will also include a 13-story parking garage right next door. The parking garage is expected to open up this fall, and the terminal remodel finishing up in December. Now back to check-in. As you'll note, we are checking in the suite line, and thank goodness. As you saw, as we were walking in, the normal standard check-in line was all the way outside. So coming up and going straight to the front in the suite line saved us many minutes, maybe even an hour of standing in line and waiting to check in. If you're a first-time cruiser, here is the secret to a stress-free check-in. The process actually starts 45 days before you sail. You will download the Royal Caribbean app, take your security selfie, and grab your arrival time early. And when you get to the port, make sure you do not give the porters your travel documents. Keep your passport and your phone right in your carry-on. Have that digital set sail pass open, stick to your arrival window, and you'll be on the ship in no time.
Lemonade? Yeah. Yeah, I got them right here. Go. Yep. Woo, it's warm. Always moving around. I love the oatmeal.
I noticed you didn't give it to me.
Huh? I got enough for everyone to have two.
Oh, that's nice. My oatmeal just broke in half.
5-second rule. 5-second rule.
No, not in this place.
Are we here early? What are we waiting for?
So you know whenever you're ready.
Oh.
That is good oatmeal.
Just drop it in. There you go. Alright, let's go to Mama and let's get on the ship.
Yeah, let's go. We'll get on the ship. Let's go have our favorite walk.
Favorite walk.
Yeah, her favorite walk.
We are now checked in. We have one last security checkpoint on the other side of the building, but first, here's one more look at the remodel.
Open ceiling. That's a new definition of it.
The lines that you saw there were the second checkpoint for the standard check-in. Again, a lot of waiting for the normal check-in process.
Closer, guys. Wow, let's look over here. Good, smile. Your room number is 1278. 1278.
You love Llama? Oh my gosh. You love her. Another kiss?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get on the ship.
She can talk.
Yeah. You can talk to animals. Stuffed animals.
Morning, everybody. Welcome to Adventure.
She hates the blue stuff.
Sorry. Michael, come on through. I need to get a new photo of you, Michael. I love y'all's hair. Thank you. Awesome. Enjoy your cruise.
And just like that, the check-in is done and we are officially ready to board Adventure of the Seas.
Yeah, watch her. She can
Whoa!
do it.
She does lots of flips.
Anna, look at
Flip,
her.
flip, 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 flip. Flip, 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 flip.
Anna, look.
You're all together? All of you together? Go, 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 go.
Just as we thought, we were in the clear. My mom's pop falls off, Michael picks it up, her bag falls off. We had quite the struggle walking up the bridge, but we are almost there. The real fun is just now getting started though. Remember, this is part 1 of 2 videos. In part 2, we are taking you past the gangway to explore the Royal Promenade, grab our first vacation drinks, and check out our stateroom. You won't want to miss the rest of our embarkation day. Make sure you subscribe, and for this video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in part 2.
Watch out. Move, Eddie. Woo!
Now what?
Go eat.